Aw man, we don't have a captain, and no second mate, but good thing I know how to guide this ship. Wait, who the hell are you?
I'm the new guy.
Hey! I have never seen you on this ship at all. Get off of this ship or I will kill you.
Hey, I only came onto his ship for the treasure. What's the problem with that?
Well? We are working hard for the treasure while you are sitting around doing nothing.
And drinking the rum.
You lousy creep. I'll kill you.
Wait, please. Let me join the crew. I'll do anything for you guys, if I get some of the treasure.
I'll have to ask the captain, but he won't like it when I tell him that you kept drinking the rum and I still don't trust you. But until then, I will lock you in the brig until the captain gets back.